Let's now talk about what fstrings in Python is. fstrings.py, and let's understand why we needed fstring at the first place. So we'll have to understand what exactly is string formatting. Let's say I have a template. Okay, this is a template, and this template basically has somebody's name. So I'll say dear, and then I'll say somebody. Let's say Harry, you are awesome. Take this $1,000 bag. Okay, a $10,000 bag. Okay, let's say take this $10,000 bag. So hey Harry, you are really very good, so take this $10,000 bag. Let's say I want to generate different types of strings for different people and different amount. How will I do that? In order to do that, let's say I have somebody called A, whose name is John, and then let's say there is B, whose name is Jack, and let's say we have C, whose name is let's say Mary, and let's say John is going to get $10,000. Let's say Jack is going to get let me call it B1, only $1,000, because you know what, Jack is not that good. And let's say Mary is going to get $300. And I want to generate this string for everyone. One option is to manually type this string. The second option is to use something called string formatting. So what I'll do is I'll simply have some blank curly brackets here. And then what I'll do is I'll simply say template dot, I'll say s1 is equal to template dot, and then I'll say format, and then I'll pass a and a1. What this format function will do is it will put the value of a, which is John, here, and the value of a1 here, and this will output, dear John, you are awesome, take this $10,000 bag. And let me print s1, and if I print s1, this will use this template and put these variables in place. Let me run this and show you that it works. Dear John, you are awesome, take this $10,000 bag. While this method is good and it was used before Python 3.6, creators of Python realized that there can be a better way to do this. And one of the best ways to do this is fstrings. And let me show you how fstrings will work. In order to create fstring, I'll do something like print, and I'll simply put an f here. So I'll simply say f here, and I can put the variables directly. I can say something like A, you are awesome, and take this A1 dollar bag, dollar bag. And if I print this, it's going to put the value of variables. So this curly bracket is going to have John, and this curly bracket is going to have 10,000. So John, you are awesome, take this $10,000 bag. So what exactly is an f string? It's simply a way to put variables inside a string. And how do we create one? Simply put f here in front of the string, and then use your regular string, and you can use variables now. Awesome, this is great. But after 3.6, format function still works. So you don't have to worry about this being deprecated or this stopping to work. This will never stop to work, at least for now. It's not going anywhere. You can always use this function as well, and fstring will be at your rescue if you have variables and you need to put them inside your string. So we learned about len function, we learned about some other functions of strings as well. This section was fun. Let me tell you that you will not use format in your Python career as much as you'll use fstrings. Fstrings are really good, and I have also given an example here, so you'll have a look at the handbook, and the revision is going to be awesome if you access the handbook. Another function that you need to remember is ord and chr. While this function is not used a lot, you'll use this sometimes, and this simply encodes the character. And if you say ord a, this will give you the ASCII value of A. And if you say CHR, it will give you the character in return of ASCII value. Now what is ASCII value? ASCII value is a code for every character. It's called American Standard Code for Information Interchange. While this is not really used a lot, but you should understand what it is. So if I zoom in and show you 65, it is A. And this is why we saw 65 when we printed ORDA. So in summary, Python provides various string methods for modification and analysis. Case conversion, trimming, finding, replacing, splitting, joining are some of the common functions that we can perform on strings. Functions like len, ord, chr are useful for working with strings. I hope you had fun learning about strings in Python. We'll now explore Python even further. I hope you are enjoying this course. See you in the next video.